always open this. Let's see if the video quality looks better now if this gets closed. Hello guys, I hope everyone is doing well, and today we are here for another car rant. I've been really enjoying filming this video, so I hope you are enjoying watching them if you are taking some value from it. Mostly these videos are the kind of videos that you can leave in the background, just hear me talking, and thank you for listening. So today I want to cover a topic that has been requested for a little bit from my Instagram. It hasn't been requested directly, like one person asked me to cover this topic, but a lot of people send me a DM normally asking this question, and it is: how much time is it going to take for me to become successful in trading? And this is a question that a lot of people have in their mind when they start trading Forex, or when they are doing it for a while and maybe they are not seeing results. And I would say that, first of all, the answer to this question is different to everyone. But one thing I can tell you for sure, it is not going to happen in a week, in a month, maybe not even in 6 months. 2 car rants ago, I made a video about what I would change if what did I do wrong, and one of the things was that I came in thinking that it was going to be easy, and that I was going to crack it easily, and I got humbled by the market, by the strategy, and now I've been doing this for 1.5 years, and I can say, like, I'm not in a position where I want to be, but I know I'm close. And again, maybe someone is further than me and they only did it for a year. Maybe someone is further than me and they did it for 3 years. But what we have to understand, that everyone learns in a different way. Everyone is going to take in information in a different way. What this means is that whatever takes me maybe 1 month to learn, maybe it'll take you 1.5 months, or the other way around. Maybe someone can learn something from one video and I have to watch the video 2 or 3 times to get the same value out of it. It depends so much on how much work you put in and how much even cognitive ability do you have. Like, if you don't work hard, things are not coming. Things are not given to us just like that. So if you are putting 5 hours of work in, how many hours of work are you actually putting in? How much of that time did you actually focus on what you were doing? How much time did you actually take as value from that? So think about that. So the learning process is different for everyone, and it also depends on the strategy. There are strategies that are more simple, there are strategies that are more complicated, there are strategies that teach you more of a foundation, and there are strategies that are more advanced. But either way, I really think it comes down to the individual. What I would tell every one of you would be not to come with high expectations on doing this quickly. I'm here with the expectation, if this takes me 5 years, if this takes me 2 years, if this takes me 1 year, I don't mind. I'm going to stick with it. And one of the things that is very important, and people don't really understand, because trading is super accessible. What does this mean? It means that it's easy to start to trade. You see it everywhere now on Instagram and all those sketchy things. And what this does is that people come with the expectation of it being easy, but this is maybe one of the hardest jobs mentally to go through, because you have to dig so deep into your mindset. You have to learn so much about yourself to actually become successful doing this. Because in the beginning, it kind of is an emotional roller coaster, because we are not used to losing money. We are not used to getting tagged in and tagged out in 5 minutes, maybe sometimes even less. Like, all those types of things, we are not ready, and our ego might get involved. our negative emotions might get involved, even very positive emotions might get involved, and that is not good too. So this is such a hard job to master and to actually be successful long term with it. And people just don't see that side of things because they only see the success. One of the big things is that this is what I told my parents too. Let's compare this to a normal college degree or university degree. This might take me 3 years, but I don't mind. I'm learning a super valuable skill. And when you are in uni, you are not expecting to learn for 3 months and then get a job in the degree that you want. That's not going to happen. So why would you say that in trading? Why would trading be any different? It's still a skill. It's still very complicated. There's so many things you have to learn, and people just have high expectations on how small of a time frame it takes to become successful in it, that people just get disheartened by it. So bottom line is that it is going to take as much time as it is needed to take. We are all going to face a lot of challenges. It's more than normal, but we have to keep persisting until we succeed. This has been my mantra for the last 1.5 years, is I persist until I succeed, and I don't care. I found something that I really enjoy doing, and I'm going to keep on doing it. And yeah, so there is no absolute answer. It's not you're gonna take 5 months. It's not you are going to take 6 years. It's whatever it's taking. One thing that I actually also learned is that if we really look at things, the fact that we have a goal, positive emotions come from us understanding that we are one step closer to the goal. When we reach the goal, then we feel satisfied. But positive emotion is generated by us understanding that we are closer to obtaining that goal. And what this means is that the process is a lot more important than the final destination. So focus on the process, be happy with the process, and you are going to get there. And you'll see that when you get there, you're going to look back to the process and you are going to laugh at so many mistakes that you have done, as I have done here in a previous video about the forex signals. It was super funny to look back to that. And yeah, so I hope this helped in any way. There's no absolute time, just put in the hard work. So yeah, I hope this video helped. I hope you are enjoying this series. I'm really enjoying it. So if you want to leave any topics for some next videos, don't forget to leave them down in the comment section below. I'm happy that you were listening until now. Don't forget to follow my Instagram, subscribe, leave a like, share with a friend if he needs to hear this, and I will see you in the next week, guys. Bagus.
Why you talking in code? No reason. Why you got me on hold? I'm beeping. I knew something was ignited. When you left, I wanted more. All I wanna do is get to know you. East to west to north to south, the whole